Welcome to GD Goneka Public School Baramulla. Here we go. Now let me take you through the reception area. This is our reception area. We have a huge reception area followed by a waiting campus. Now let's move towards the department. Now here we go. Now this is the department that you would be looking at. So this is our admission room, beautiful admission room cum counseling, where exactly we take the interviews and conduct counseling for the students. So we have different equipments available in order to assess the candidate. Along with the candidate, we also assess the parents in order to understand and provide a better education. Now let's move on further. Let me show you an interesting department which has a lot of efforts to maintain the stability of the school. That's the IT room. Now when we have IT room, followed by that, we do have a pantry where the teachers, staff will have a peace of mind to enrich their energy in order to give a successful career to our bright students. Next department, that is called accounts section, where exactly most of our transactions happens over here. Now I am very sure you would like to know what exactly we have here. Now let's start off. We have nursery department. This is where your child will exploit the knowledge and learn different types of activities. So when we recession, we do have a play area. We do have innovative things which a child can do by themselves. And we do have something which is very exciting. That's our smart class. So all the teaching would be done through the smart class. Here you go. So whatever you see on the screen, the children are going to follow that. Now moving on further, let me show you the further department, further classes. School is the first step for every child. Now let's see what's hidden in our kindergarten. Hey, there we go. We do have a smart class. We do have a setup for the kids to enjoy with learning. They can create their own innovative ideas, which is appreciated by GD Goenka. After we finish nursery and kindergarten, let me welcome you to the journey for adults. Now we start off, we have class A, class B. Moving further, we do have class 2, that is class A and class B. So for each and every classes, we have 2 divisions. And minimum students that we acquire is 25 to 30 per section. Moving further, we have class 3, which is again divided into 2 sections. Now most of the parents would be worried, if I'm going to put a girl child to the school, how she is going to manage, how she is going to change her clothes. Parents, just be relaxed. We have a wonderful washroom constructed specially for ladies. So we have kept all that instruction to secure a girl child. We have a dressing changing room, then we have followed by a washroom. Now we would be thinking, what exactly we do over here? This is a play area, wonderfully constructed for the children to have the physical activity. Study and physical activity is equally important for the students. So if you see here, we do have a wonderful play area with seesaw, we have swing, we have rides, where students can really enjoy the benefits to the core. Beside that, we do have a swimming pool, not only for the students, but the parents. If you're really interested and you want to learn swimming, please welcome over here. Now parents would be worried, what if my child falls sick suddenly? Where will they go? Don't worry parents, just relax. We do have an infirmary, that's an hospital, first aid, given for the kids who fall sick. We have doctors from the specialized hospitals who are dedicated only for this work. English is very important in today's generation, and since it is a competitive market, we do have a dedicated lab created at GD Goenka. It's beautiful, what we call it as a language lab, where we have dedicated systems where the children will listen to the voice and accent and they will develop over here. They need not have to spend much time outside anywhere. They get all the facilities fetched over here. Now let me take you to an interesting tour of a multi-purpose room. Now multi-purpose room, what is this all about? Where your child will enjoy all the inbound activities which is present over here. As you can see, we have a small basketball court, we have slides, we have rides, and we do have something which is very exciting, that is called as the play area. Here the kids can jump, enjoy by using the balls. It's a plastic ball. We have a little seesaw here. If you can see, the child can sit here and enjoy. So this is an inbound structure for the kids who are from nursery, kindergarten to enjoy the play school. Now let me take you through a wonderful journey which is called as Computer Lab. I'm pretty sure everyone are excited to learn the new technology. So we have given a dedicated computer lab for the students where they can learn a lot of things. We have a dedicated mentors who will be mentoring the students in order to groom themselves in this particular technology. What else apart from that do we have in the school? Very exciting and very fun-making place. We do have computer museum, we do have music room, robotics lab, physics model, dance room, etc. to groom up your child's activity. I hope you all enjoyed the wonderful journey and a campus tour with GD Goenka. I am happy to be a part of GD Goenka Public School Baramulla. I welcome you all to be the part of this family. Thank you.
Welcome to GD Goenka Baramulla. I'm R.K. Singh, the principal, and I'm here to take the school to the future. With the 30 years of experience in the international programs like Cambridge and IB, which is from Switzerland, I've been working abroad. I worked in Bali, Indonesia as a head of school. I was in Sydney working as the director of a school, and then I have a huge background in India in different schools of known brands like Scindia School Gwalior, the Hyderabad Public School, and the Birla Open Minds International School. All the experience I am bringing with me to make this school the school of future. We are bringing the best of the talent here, best teaching and learning practices here, and we'll bring up a school which would groom the complete personality of our students and take them to future. First time in Jammu and Kashmir, in the valley, we are trying to bring up a school which would talk about the values which conventional school never talk about. This will be a CBSE school. We'll combine the international ideas here so that we can bring up a school of future to take our children forward in life.